This is the 180 Days Homeschool Grade 5 set, an all-in-one learning bundle designed to support your fifth grader across every core subject. What really stands out about this set is how comprehensive it is. It includes a full range of subjects like reading, language, spelling, writing, math, science, social studies, and geography, plus problem solving and hands-on STEAM activities. Everything is structured into daily practice, which makes it easy to build a consistent learning routine. I like that it's not just workbooks. You also get flashcards for cursive, multiplication, and division, along with interactive tools like the figurative language cards. These add variety and help keep learning engaging instead of repetitive. Another helpful feature is the Parent Engagement Guide. It offers tips and strategies to help you stay organized and make lessons more effective and enjoyable, especially if you're managing homeschool on your own. The layout of the materials is simple and easy to follow, so students can work through each day with a clear sense of progress. It's designed to support skill building over time while still allowing flexibility. If you're looking for a structured, all-in-one homeschool solution for fifth grade that covers every subject and includes interactive learning tools, this set is a practical and well-rounded option.